Smiley Palette. Hi little artist, welcome back to Smiley Palette. Today we are going to learn how to draw some fun shapes and color them in. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a star. Start with the point at the top. Look how I am marking them. Now, let's connect all 10 points to get a star. It's like drawing a triangle 5 times. Great job! Next, let's draw a trapezium. It looks like a triangle but with the top cut off. Now, let's draw an arrow. Start with a straight line. Then, draw another straight line parallel to the first line. Connect them on your left hand side with a small vertical line. Then, draw a triangle-shaped arrowhead at the other end. Let's draw a rhombus now. It's like two triangles stuck together. Remember, we are not drawing the base here. Next, let's draw a minus shape. This looks like a rectangle. Finally, let's draw a plus shape. You can think of this as two crossed rectangles. We did it! You did a fantastic job, little artist! Let's color the star yellow. Pick up your yellow crayon or marker and color inside the lines. Amazing work! Now, let's color the trapezium. Shall we use orange? What color will you choose? Color with me. You are doing amazing! Let's color the arrow. I'll use green. What color will you use for your arrow? Now, let's color the rhombus. I'll use blue. Color with me. Let's color the minus shape now. I'll use brown. Do you like dark colors? Finally, let's color the plus shape. I'll use red. What color will you use? You are doing amazing! Wow! Look at the amazing shapes you have drawn and colored. Thank you for drawing and painting with me today. Don't forget to subscribe me. See you next time, little artist. Bye.